a single CRAID log that I created, right? But what I want to show you is actually how Echo does it, which is we go ahead and we can create different CRAID logs either by different projects or by different teams within an organization or organizations. And then what we do is we actually go ahead and roll it up into a dashboard. And the dashboard is actually like where people start with it. So let me just show you a really high level demo of a dashboard that we created as an example. And in the dashboard, what I'm seeing is some quick references. So how many open items do I have? How many are escalated currently? How many are past due? This is pulling from my different CRAID logs, so I could have 8 or 10 of these. And like how many are critical risks? I can kind of see how many for each organization. I can see the different types. And then you can see here that on a dashboard, I can actually go ahead and have the forms embedded right here. In addition to that, I have kind of some of the reports and everything. So CRAID items that have been closed in the last 7 days, et cetera. So if I wanted to just visualize, right, the open items across, I could do that. The other option is, and this is how, again, when we talk about the PMO implementation and how we do that, let me just pull up, let's see here. Right? So within a project, you might have a CRAID log, and in a project dashboard, right, you might be able to see not only the task items, but also the CRAID items here. So if you think about risks, issues, things like that, they would show up there. A single